Hey Louise, I'm your love, Srishti Datta, and today I'm diving into a skincare essential that I believe doesn't get enough love. I'm talking about micellar water. I get these questions a lot on what is micellar water, what does it do, what is the science behind it. So I decided to make a detailed video on this topic because micellar water deserves the spotlight. Let's begin with understanding what micellar water is. So it's like a magic potion for your skin. Picture this. Tiny invisible magnets called Micelles suspended into water. These micelles are attracted to dirt, makeup, oil like a magnet, gently lifting them away from your skin without any harsh rubbing or rinsing required. It's basically a shortcut to have clean and refreshed skin in one swipe. And I'm gonna say it again. No rinsing required after using micellar water because that's an FAQ too. Now when we think about micellar water, we imagine this, right? So yeah, just like everyone, I also use the Garnier Micellar Cleansing Water because it's so good and affordable. Their formula is top notch. As I said earlier, micelles work as a magnet. So in the same way, Garnier Micellar Water, which is enriched with the cleansing molecules called micelles, attracts makeup and other impurities, lifting them away from your pores just like a magnet. And the things I love most about Garnier Micellar Water is that it's suitable for all skin type, removes 100% dust, dirt, pollution, sunscreen and makeup in one swipe. Plus, it's free of sulphates and parabens, so you can say it's really gentle on the skin. I rarely use cleanser in my morning skincare routine because I have got really sensitive skin. That's why I use this baby to get fresh skin before I apply my skincare and makeup. Now this is very important and should be followed by everyone. The true magic of micellar water lies in its ability to prepare the skin for its next step in our skincare routine. It's another secret how I get my skin to heal so fast because by effectively cleansing the skin surface and removing any barrier, micellar water creates an optimal environment for my other skincare products to work and penetrate deeply. This means that your serums, moisturizer and treatment can deliver their active ingredients more efficiently, maximizing their benefits and ensuring that no product goes to waste. Now let me show you how to use it in 3 easy steps. Step 1. Pour. Start by pouring a small amount of micellar water onto a soft cotton pad. You don't need to saturate the pad entirely, just enough to moisten it. Step 2. Press. Gently press the soaked cotton pad onto your closed eyelid for a few seconds. Step 3. Swipe. After pressing the cotton pad onto your eyelids, gently swipe it across your face in outward motion. Press and swipe the cotton on your entire face and see how fresh and clear your skin feels. And that's it. See how easy it is. Unlike traditional cleansers that strips the skin of its natural oil and requires you to rinse your face, micellar water does not require rinsing and is gentle on the skin. Apply your skincare products and see how effectively they goes in your skin. Now there are 3 variants of Garnier Micellar Waters. Garnier Pink Micellar Water, which I use, Garnier Oil Infused Micellar Water and Garnier Vitamin C Micellar Water. I basically do everyday minimal makeup with little foundation, blush and lipstick, and the pink micellar is great for everyday cleansing. The oil infused micellar water is the ideal choice for heavy waterproof makeup. And lastly, the vitamin C micellar water is a great option for cleansing plus brightening of dull skin. I have mentioned the links of all 3 variants of micellar water on the description box. Do check it out. I hope I have answered all your questions regarding micellar water. But if you still have any question left, then do let me know in the comment box. And subscribe my channel so that we can meet again. Bye bye.